remove the side panel to reseat RAM. You'll have 2 shrouds over the sets of RAM to each side of the processor. Those are both easily detachable with clips. 2 on the right one and 1 on the left one. Just push and pull up, and it comes out very easily. Same with the other side. There will be white clips on the top and bottom of each stick of RAM, and you'll just push those down and each stick will come up. And you will hear clicks when the stick is actually out of the slot. Then to reseat the RAM, you'll simply just place the sticks back into each slot, and you should hear a click from the top and the bottom. And if you only have 4 sticks of RAM, you'll reseat them in the black slots, not the white ones. Then you'll reseat the CPU by taking off the heatsink. There will be 4 screws total. First, you'll unplug the fan connector above it. The heatsink will come off relatively easily. You'll have 2 levers holding the socket down. You'll release both of them. You'll have the cover flip up. You'll grab the CPU from one side and lift up. The socket will be exposed, so be careful. And then to reseat, you will simply gently place the CPU back into the socket with the notches lining up correctly. There will be one side of notches that is much wider than the other. Then you'll close the cap, reclose the 2 levers, put the heatsink back on, connect the fan connector, and re-screw the heatsink down.